Hello everybody, here is my video of my solar oven. I hope you enjoy it. Finished strong. We've just got a little bit more to do. Yep, alright, have fun. Here are the materials I used to make my solar oven. I used a cardboard box, aluminum foil, some black playing cards, and a plastic bag. Those three that I X'd out, I didn't actually end up using. Welcome everybody to the Sky Science Laboratory. I'm here with my solar oven, which is being held down by rocks. Those are not part of the insulation or conducting materials. I have some aluminum foil right here. This mirror is shining light into there. And other than that, we've got a black bottom and a lot of aluminum foil for reflecting. The black is there to absorb some of that thermal energy. I'm preheating the oven right now before I put the ice cube in. Currently the oven is approaching 60 degrees. It looks like it's at about 58 degrees right now. This is in Celsius. The outside temperature is at around 53 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna have to do those conversions later to find out what that is, but it's really hot out here. So I'm gonna come back, grab the ice, and I'll put them in and start the 10-minute timer. All right, and we are off. We've got this ice cube out here. It's gonna be melting really fast too, and the ice cube in the oven. So I'll come back. I'm going to do this first for just about 5 minutes. I'll show you guys where it's at, and then I will do the second 5 minutes. So that was 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and start the next 5-minute timer. I just want to show you guys right now the current temperature inside is just around 60 degrees Celsius. We can see what that ice cube looks like in there. And then I actually moved this one down to the grass because this bench is actually incredibly hot, so that might work even better than my box. So here is what's going on with this one that is in the bag. I can see, actually I'm very surprised that so little of it has melted, considering that the outside temperature is a little over 50 degrees, just about 50 degrees. So again, I will convert those temperatures later to Fahrenheit. We have 4 more minutes left of this investigation. Alright, so I came inside so that I can measure out how much liquid we have in each of these. I'm right now measuring the one that was outside of the container. Here's the amount of liquid that we have. And I told you guys to measure in tablespoons, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can't see what I'm doing. Here's my measuring device. So I have about, I would say this is roughly half of a teaspoon, maybe, or tablespoon, sorry, maybe a little bit more. Not very good measurements. So I'll call that half of a tablespoon. Okay, check this out. Very little of the ice is still there. We can just see a little bit of it floating around there. I don't know if this video will catch it. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out before it melts all the way. Yep. So that's how much is left over. And okay. We have 1 tablespoon of liquid. So I guess the entire ice cube is just about 1 tablespoon. I am going to reserve my explanations. I want you guys to explain how you think that your solar oven works and why you chose certain materials, as well as any of the information that we have learned throughout this unit, how that helped you to make decisions about how to make this solar oven. So I'm not going to include that in my response. I don't want to take that away from you, but I am expecting that your responses will include that.